guys, this is Fei Wu from Feisworld Media. If you're like me, you're probably loving and using SquareSpace a lot. But here's a challenge. Are you like me who's always struggling to enter what's called anchor links on the same page or other pages for that usage? So what happened is this. Let me go ahead and show you something that used to work, unfortunately stopped working recently. I'm here on my website under resources. I click on, for example, build your online business. I have multiple pages like this where on the same page, I go ahead and just share things I use for my business, from building an email campaign to creating online courses, file management. And about a year ago, I built out these anchor links. As you can see, the URL structure no longer works, and I don't know why exactly. So what I'm going to do is to show you a very simple way to reconstruct all of that and still have the web page flow very clearly and easily. So I'm going to show you an example that actually works. This is a different website I built for Alexander Bono Academy. So as you can see, this is a program page, and I want to, for example, have something like enroll now for pre-college program to jump right to pre-college sign up. This pink block right here. So for example, the first thing I might want to jump people to is, let's call the age division. I know it's right here, but if you look right past it, the information isn't very helpful. So as you can see, there are many different elementary and intermediate advanced age groups. So what I want to do is the moment I click on age division up here, it jumps people right to this block. Now here's the easiest thing. As you can see, there's a little code block here. And if I open it up, it has this code called ID equals to age, and you close the bracket right there. Super simple, right? And now all I have to do is identify this block here using the ID age. And where does that live, you may be wondering? So if I click on age division right here, you will see that all I have to do here is just hashtag age, and I'm literally putting in a hyperlink. Super easy. Plus, if I close this, you will notice when I click on that, not only jumps there, it avoids the fact that this line here is hidden because it's actually jumping to the location right above it. So it will show just like that. Let me go ahead and jump to enroll now for pre-college program. Boom, it's right there. So as you can see, how I laid that out is I put a little code right here called enroll right above this block. And so it jumps you right to that place. That's exactly what I'm going to do to show you. So this is how I fix it. If I want to jump people to blogging, email marketing, it's already right there. So I'm going to click on edit. And right here, I will put in just a little block of code like that. I'll get rid of the hello world and copy in the code I was just showing you. So instead of calling it age, I'm going to call it email. Why not? As long as you understand where you're jumping to, what it means, that's all that matters for this particular ID. Now what I have to do is edit. I'm going to remove this whole long URL, and all I have to do is call it email and apply. Save it. I'm going to show you. See that? Even move the page up a little bit. So let me do it one more thing. What I can do next is also do the same thing, creating online courses right here. I want to jump from this link all the way down to here. So again, click on add code. I will drop the exact same code here by deleting hello world. I'll do the exact same thing here by creating a little code block. Give it a new ID. I'm going to call it course. I like to keep things simple, just keeping it singular. So this part called course. Now I click on my anchor link here, edit, remove all that messy stuff, put a hashtag course, hit apply, hit save. By the way, I'm working in 7.0. If you're working in 7.1, the feature is exactly the same. And I'm done. Now let's take a look. If I'm all the way at the top of the page right now, and I will click on online courses, boom, it moves right here. So I hope you find this helpful. Again, it created a lot of confusion. It really shouldn't be very difficult. Give it a shot. Happy creating. And I'm so glad if you're working in SquareSpace, it definitely has a lot of perks and definitely reduces your time in maintaining and managing your website. So I hope that will really give you back some time to create the content you really love. Again, this is Fei Wu from Feisworld. This channel is all about content creators and creative entrepreneurs like yourself. Let's build a business together online. Let's thrive together, help one another. If you haven't hit subscribe, please do so now. I cannot wait to see you in a future video very soon.